Welcome to Investing Ramp, where we explore ways to ramp up our investments. In this video, I'll talk about a topic I like: building financial habits. After reading James Clear's book, Atomic Habits, I started implementing 4 strategies into my financial habits, like focusing on keystone and small habits, implementing dollar cost averaging, and others is helping me and you ramp up financial growth. Don't forget to like and share, it helps out the channel, and feel free to leave a comment below. First strategy is to set your keystone financial habits. Various research consistently shows that people who regularly invest, diversify their portfolios, and engage in long-term wealth-building strategies tend to accumulate more wealth over time. James Clear nudges us creating habits like tracking expenses daily. Another ones I like is setting aside a fixed percentage of your income for savings. I'd recommend 10% or more. And investments, all can significantly improve your financial health. Being specific helps. For instance, let's say your goal is to save $10,000 in 1 year from now. Then if let's say you earn $70,000 after taxes, and can earn 3% on your savings, you'd need to set aside around 12.5% each month to reach $10,000. I know you can do it. Another useful habit is the 2-minute rule, where you are breaking down complex or long-term financial tasks into even smaller, more manageable habits. Like the savings example, commit to spending just 2 minutes a day on reviewing your savings and track your investment portfolio to see if you are making progress effectively. I'd suggest exploring various financial tracking tools and apps like Dividend Tracker I'm using to check on my dividend compounding machine. Another great technique is called habit stacking. That's when you pair your financial habits with your daily routines to stay consistent, like checking your investments with the morning coffee. Or set aside 10 minutes every weekend to go over your financials, savings, investments, or otherwise. From my experience, you'll likely find it easier to stay consistently on track that way. Last habit I'd share is to try and put your investing on autopilot. I keep bringing up the drip on, aka automatically reinvest all dividends. You can also try a habit of dollar cost averaging and invest a fixed amount regularly to stay consistent. All in all, Atomic Habits is a good inspiration for focusing on major habits, slicing them into smaller ones, automating investments, and effectively tracking our progress, all of which can help set us up for long-term success. And don't forget to celebrate your small and big achievements as you go along the financial journey. Thanks for watching, and as always, let the compounding force be with you.